So FydeOS in my opinion is the best Android OS experience on a Windows PC. Now why would you want to dual boot it with Windows? Firstly, FydeOS gives you access to the full Google Play Store, just like your smartphone, and also the Linux App Store, which is quite unique. So you can use Android apps like Instagram, Canva, InShot, etc. on a bigger screen with keyboard and mouse, and also download programs like Steam to play games just like Windows. So you get the full freedom to use it however you want. Now let's get into the tutorial on how you can dual boot Windows and FydeOS. Starting off, first visit the FydeOS official website and download the appropriate ISO image file, which is going to be according to your processor. I will be downloading the AMD Ryzen one. Along with that, we will also need to download Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. So you'll need a 8GB pen drive as well. Now if your pen drive has been used to boot other operating system, it's going to be best if you format it before proceeding, either using the disk partition tool or diskpart. Now we will need to create a separate partition to install FydeOS. Right click on the start menu and open disk management. Now right click on the C drive and then select shrink and type at least 50GB to create a separate partition. I already have a dedicated D drive for this, so I'm going to skip this process. Now make sure to format the partition as well before proceeding. Now open the Rufus application and select USB drive and then the FydeOS ISO file that we just downloaded. Now don't change anything else and just start the process. It can take a long time, so don't touch your PC during this time. Now after the process is complete, power off your computer. Now we go to press the power button and immediately press the boot menu key, which is usually the escape, delete, F12. So now select your USB drive from the list. It's going to start booting the FydeOS. Now select your language. Now select the install it and not the try option, and then select the multi-boot install. Now select your target drive, which is going to be the partition that we just created, and the EFI partition is going to be the 100MB drive, and it's going to be there if you have installed Windows. Now under the drop down, select install and configure refined boot manager, and then start the installation process. Now once it's done, power off the system, remove the pen drive and start the system again. You will see the refined dual boot menu. Select FydeOS using the arrow keys and hit enter. Now set up FydeOS including language, Wi-Fi, and during the account login information, choose local account and then continue with a username and password. Now you will boot into the FydeOS home screen, but the process is still not complete as there is no Google Play Store. So make sure to install the Android subsystem on your first boot, as this is the core component needed to run Android on the FydeOS. And after you have installed it, this settings page will pop up, and this looks the same as our smartphone. And you can check in the settings that it is based on Android 11 now. Previously it was Android 9, so that's an upgrade. So now head over to the FydeOS App Store. Now here you need to click on the configure open GApps. These are the packages that is going to help us install the Google Play Store now that we have access to the Android subsystem. So open it up. So you will notice that after agreeing to everything and when you try to install it, you will not be able to do that because in the new version you need to do some settings first. So head over to the settings, and in the FydeOS settings we need to enable the developer options. So restart your system after doing that, and after that we will do one more step. So press the Ctrl Alt plus T key on the keyboard and open up the terminal window. Here we need to run some commands. So first of all, write shell and run it, and after that we will also run the sudo I command, which I have not done in this video, but you have to run that before. And after that, finally we need to run this long command, and your system is going to restart. And after restart, try to install the GApps again, and this time you will see that we are now able to install the GApps package. And it's going to take some time, so just let it install all the necessary files. Now after the installation is finished, restart the system once again, and now you will see the Google Play Store icon in the taskbar and also in the app menu. Open it up, add a Google account, and now you can install other Google apps including YouTube and Gmail. So now our FydeOS is ready, and you can also enable Linux from the settings and install Linux App Store. Check my dedicated video for more information on that. So that was it for this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.